Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to create and how to know shortcut key for some formula in Microsoft Word. So insert and table, and insert the number like we have this number and we need to sum here. So we will use shortcut key to sum. Press Alt A and O. Alt A O. Now click anywhere outside of this table. Now click inside where you need sum. Now press Alt A and O on your keyboard. Try again. Alt A, press and hold and O. Now just click on OK. So you have this result here. I will show you simple. Click here. Same. Click anywhere. Now click inside. Alt A and O. Click on OK. So this is the shortcut key to sum in Microsoft Word. Similarly, you can sum in horizontal. Enter your number. Now here, click anywhere. Now in this cell, Alt A and O. Try again. वालेकुम सलाम. हाँ वालेकुम सलाम.